Where'd Chance go? Come over here. Ready? Come close. Come here. Closer. Hi, look.
Pretty smart there, Dad. Putting it in your pocket.
You have my moments. Look, when Papa comes back, we'll blow some more bubbles, okay?